Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account without you working extra hours, without stress, without trading your time for every dollar. Sounds unrealistic? What if I told you that thousands of people are quietly building this kind of income every single day? And today, you can start too. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand passive income, you'll have clear, simple ideas you can actually start even as a beginner. Before we go deeper, if you want more simple and powerful money ideas like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Personal Finance for All, because this channel is all about helping you build real financial freedom step by step. Let's start with something important. Passive income does not mean zero work. It means you do the work once, or a few times, then it keeps paying you again and again. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, take care of it. Later, it gives you fruit for years. Most people stay stuck because they only focus on active income jobs, freelancing, hourly work. But the real shift happens when you start building income that works even when you're sleeping. Now let me walk you through some powerful passive income ideas that are simple, realistic, and beginner-friendly. Picture this. You create a YouTube channel. At first it feels slow. You upload videos, maybe no one watches, but slowly, one video gets views, then another. Months later, your old videos are still bringing in views, ads revenue, and even affiliate income. That's the power of content. And the best part, you don't even need to show your face. You can create videos using AI voice, stock footage, and storytelling. Channels like finance, motivation, and storytelling perform really well, especially in the US audience. This is one of the most powerful passive income systems if you stay consistent. Another idea is digital products. Imagine creating something once, like an ebook, a checklist, a budget planner, or even a simple guide, and selling it over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no stress. People are always looking for solutions. If you can solve a small problem, you can make money. For example, a 30-day savings challenge PDF, or a beginner budget planner. These are simple but valuable. Once you upload it to platforms like Etsy or your own website, it can sell again and again. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start. You don't need your own product. You simply recommend products or services. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can do this through YouTube, blogs, TikTok, or even Pinterest. For example, you talk about a useful app, a book, or a financial tool, and add your affiliate link. The key here is trust. Don't promote everything. Only recommend what actually helps people. Another powerful method is investing. Now, I know some of you might feel this is complicated, but let me simplify it. When you invest in stocks, index funds, or ETFs, your money starts working for you. Over time, you earn dividends and growth. Even small amounts matter. Imagine investing just a little every month and letting compound growth do its magic. This is not instant, but it is one of the most reliable long-term passive income strategies. Let's talk about print demand. This is perfect if you're creative or even if you're not. You design simple graphics or text-based designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, and they handle everything. If someone buys a t-shirt, mug, or hoodie with your design, you earn a profit. No inventory, no shipping. It's just your idea turned into income. Now, here's something interesting. Online courses. People are always learning. If you know something, anything, you can teach it. It could be basic English, graphic design, budgeting, cooking, or even storytelling. You record your course once, upload it to platforms like Udemy, and people can buy it anytime. This becomes a long-term income stream. Let me share something most people ignore. Simplicity wins. You don't need to start 10 things at once. Choose one idea. Focus on it. Build it slowly. Most people fail because they jump from one idea to another without giving anything enough time to grow. Another great idea is blogging. Yes, blogging still works. You write articles that help people, like how to save money, best side hustles, or budget tips. And over time, you get traffic from search engines. Then you monetize through ads, affiliate links, or your own products. It's slow in the beginning, but powerful in the long run. Now let's talk about something very simple but effective: high-yield savings accounts or fixed returns. While this won't make you rich overnight, It's a safe way to earn passive income on money you already have. It's a good starting point if you're risk-averse. You can also create mobile apps or simple tools. Now don't worry, you don't need to be a coder. With no-code platforms, you can create basic apps or tools that solve simple problems. For example, a budget tracker, a habit tracker, or a daily planner. Once published, it can generate income through ads or subscriptions. Let's pause for a second and think. Why do most people never build passive income? It's not because they can't. It's because they don't start. They overthink. They wait for the perfect moment. But the truth is, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Imagine 1 year from now. You look back and see that you started something. Maybe a YouTube channel, maybe a digital product, maybe small investments. Even if it's not huge yet, it's growing. That feeling is powerful. That's how financial freedom begins. Now here's a small strategy that can change everything. Combine ideas. For example, you create a YouTube channel, promote affiliate products, and sell your own digital product. It's multiple income streams from one system. Smart, right? Consistency is your secret weapon. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up again and again, even when it feels slow, even when results don't come immediately. Because passive income always starts slow and then grows faster. Let me be honest with you. There will be moments when you feel like quitting. That's normal. Every successful person goes through that phase, but the difference is they don't stop. They adjust, improve, and keep going. At Personal Finance for All, the goal is simple: to help you build income streams that give you freedom, not just money. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about earning more, it's about living better. Now I want you to think about this. Which idea felt right to you? Which one made you think, I can actually do this? That's your starting point. Don't ignore that feeling. As we're getting close to the end, I want to ask you something important. If you found even one idea valuable in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs it, because one idea can change someone's financial future. And I'd love to hear from you. Go to the comments and tell me what passive income idea are you planning to start, or if you've already started something, share your experience. Your comment might inspire someone else to take action. Thank you for spending your time here. Remember, small steps today can create big results tomorrow. Stay consistent, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.